Let's discuss today's cue card. Your topic is describe a movie that you watched recently. Your time starts now.
I am a movie buff and I like to watch a lot of movies. I used to go to the movie theater and watch a lot of movies on big screen and also like watching movies in theater. But recently, streaming platform like Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, etc. have a huge collection of movies. So I rarely go to the movie theater. Recently, I watched a movie on Netflix named as Lapata Ladies. Netflix usually releases movie on Friday, and after I came back home, my mother suggested that we should do something fun as a family. So we ordered dinner from our favorite place and decided to watch this movie named Lapata Ladies. This movie is the story of two newlywed brides exchanged during a train ride to their husband's home. And this movie it shows a funny and chaotic side of chaotic things that happens to the families and police to finding these ladies. I really like that it explores themes like gender roles, marriages, and social expectations in a humorous manner. I watched this movie because I liked the trailer. This movie is directed by Kiran Rao, and it was this was her second movie. I also watched her first movie and some other movies in which she is assistant director. And Amir Khan is also co-produced this movie, and he has always been my favorite actor. I knew anything coming from him would be good. Main actors in the movie are all newcomers, and I had no idea about them before I watched this movie. All of them do a great job and impressed me with their acting skills. I wish more directors would make movies like this in the future.
Okay, you spoke very well. You were good at grammatical range, but you made a few repetitions. You have to avoid it and you have to increase your fluency as well.